It was a discussion on the upcoming polls, organization matters, election preparedness, what is the current situation. He was specifically keen on what was the mood of the Gen Z today in Goa. He asked us about the campaigns that we have planned, and he advised us on certain matters which we have taken positively, which we will be executing in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 months.
If a party gives any responsibility to you, are you ready to take it?
Of course, we have always been with the party, and whatever responsibilities, duties the party gives us, we are always there to take it up.
One-to-one meeting has been happened with the Venugopal. So how was the experience been interacting with him?
The experience was good. We have met him a number of times on different issues. He always advised us on how to go about things, and he's an experienced operator. He's an MP. He's a master of handling elections, and he has told us very clearly that he's going to put all his might in helping us win Goa.
So from your side, the discussion was fruitful.
Absolutely.